Hello students, welcome to Crack Grade B online learning platform. Today in this video lecture, we are going to discuss important essay topics and what things you have to take care while writing the essay. And English descriptive mock tests we have launched, and it will be at most economical prices, rupees 999 only. And four full length mock test will be provided, and evaluation will be done online, and feedback will be provided online. So these are the 10 most important essay topics like impact of COVID-19 on Indian economy and approach to revive Indian economy, impact of online education on school education, education policy, women empowerment related essay topics, unemployment related essay topics, artificial intelligence, blockchain technology, digital currency, digitization, financial inclusion, role of UPI in digitization, farmers' agitation and farmer bills, e-waste, renewable energy, cyber security and data privacy, and corporates in banking system, role of payment bank and small finance bank in financial inclusion. So these are the most important topic, and among these essay topics, I would like to highlight the most important. You must not skip at any cost. The impact of COVID-19 on Indian economy and approach to revive Indian economy, and because this is in this COVID-19 is still there, so it is the most important topic that is going to be asked. And second one is online education, as due to COVID, online education is in current trend. Third one is artificial intelligence, also in news. Digital currency is also news. Some working paper was there of RBI recently on digital currency, launching their own currency of the country. Digitization is important. Farmer agitation and farmer bill is important topic. And recently that WhatsApp privacy policy was also in news. So data privacy is the most important topic. Corporates and banking system, as RBI working group recommended the corporates to provide license to corporates houses. So that is was in news. So it's also very important topic. These are very important topic, can be asked in exam. At 4 to 5 topics will be there. You have to attempt one essay only. These topics you can prepare from various articles using Google, and easily you can prepare these all topics. So you can see one example of why English descriptive is more important. Some students ignore this topic, this subject, and they don't practice and they don't focus much, but finally they lose. Why? We will show you an example that this person is at rank 62 in RBI Grade B final list. He scored only 42, and you know the English highest score was 74. If he had scored 74, then he could be the topper of RBI Grade B 2019. So you can see the different what what is the role of English score in your selection. So I will not take much time here. So now, English descriptive paper, there will be three components: English essay, precise writing, comprehension based question in both RBI grade B as well as in SEBI grade exam. So in SEBI last year, last exam, 250 words essay was asked. So this year we can, and these words are varying every year. In a word, 400 words essay was asked. So it can vary. So you have to practice accordingly. You have to read content, and then you must practice so that you can easily write in final exam. And also that one another important point that many students have highlighted, that sometime that keyboard in the exam center will not be much familiar for you, so you may face some difficulty while typing. So accordingly you can practice before final exam attempt. So English essay 300 words, precise writing 120 words, and comprehension based questions will be there. You have to read the passage and write the answer based on your own, means you have to answer according to your views. own views. So while writing English essay, what important points you have to take care. First thing you have to write introduction, then some fodder material in between after the introduction of the essay, and you can mention some data in those body of the essay, and at the end you can mention the conclusion. But what point you have to mention in the body? I would like to recommend you that if suppose you are writing on women empowerment, so you can refer government initiative here. Suppose you are writing unemployment, then there you can mention the various steps to remove unemployment and various initiative taken by the government recently, and various unemployment data released by the government. If you are writing for financial inclusion, various government schemes that you can mention. Suppose you are writing digitization, so you can mention about the government steps like UPI, NPCI, and other initiative for digitization. So you can easily score by mentioning such things in your essay means. And one more thing, don't use fancy word of English. Don't use fancy word of English. If you are using these words, you will lose the marks in English essay. Write simple language, means layman language. Write as you are a student of 10th class. So simple form of essay if you will write, you will get a good score. We are saying this based on our last 4 to 5 years experience. We are we have seen the students getting low score due to fancy words. And you have to practice before the exam, otherwise you will not able you be able to attempt the paper. And in English essay, some students ask about the essay in points format, that you can also write. You can get a good score after writing in points as well, but content must be good. Next, precise writing, you can write easily 120 words. That paragraph will be there, so you have to write a crisp of that paragraph. Main point, main highlights you have to mention. And this you can learn from by practice only. And we have launched our test series in that you can attempt, and we can provide the review and feedback. And so ESI and FM RBI get because video course, videos for static part, online PDF and current affairs, online PDF of current affairs, government schemes, RBI circulars, mocks will be there, 10 mocks will be there based on the RBI grade B phase 2 pattern. It will cost you rupees 2499 only. It is the most economical, most specific content. Paper 2 SEBI grade A course we are also providing. It will cost you rupees 2000. And English descriptive test we have launched. It will cost you rupees 999 only. Based on the students' request, we have kept it at most economical prices, and for full length mock tests will be there. You have to register at website and can subscribe the courses. For any query, any information, you can call us and write us an email. That details are given on website. These are our courses: RPI Grade B, SEBI Grade A, IRDA, NABARD Grade A and B, FSI Technical Officer, Central Food Safety Officer, UPSC EPFO Enforcement Officer exam. And so share the video to your friends who are preparing for the exam. Thank you and happy learning.